This Remax Equity Group property video is presented by Michelle Carter Smith. Looking for a private retreat in Corbett on just over 5 acres with a beautiful creek running through the property? The high-ceilinged home features 3 levels, a new roof installed in 2022, an attached garage with an RV hookup on the side, a certified wood stove, and a back deck that is perfect for entertaining. The 16 by 17 primary bedroom is spacious, with an 8 by 11 walk-in closet. There are 3 bedrooms in total, along with a bonus room that can serve as an office or craft room. The property features an orchard with apple, pear, cherry, plum, and mulberry trees, a spacious 30 by 20 shop with a concrete foundation, and an 18 by 20 covered back storage area. From all of the interior windows, enjoy expansive views of the quiet, serene woodland. The home is located on a low-traffic road near the schools and access to I-84. Corbett High School was recently rated number 8 in Oregon by U.S. News & World Report. There are hiking trails on the property, and you are near the Columbia River Gorge National Scenic Area, Mount Hood, and Hood River for additional hiking and outdoor recreation. Open house on Sunday, September 21st from 1 to 3 p.m. For more information, review